This is Faucetpay.io site. It is a micro wallet. You can collect your cryptocurrency here freely. There is a lot of chance for earning. If you want to interest free earning, you can visit the description of this video. Today I show you staking tips. So I click here. If you hold a Terra, you get 15% commissions. So flexible, so you can transaction anytime. So how to hold and earn 15% of Terra from this site? You have to hold here minimum 1000 Terra. So go to dashboard. I have a Bitcoin's 5.45 US dollars. But I don't have a Terra. My Terra coin is a 00. So click coin swap. I have a Bitcoins. I choose the Terra. Yes, type here. I take a 3 number on last and type 7 and click the converts and I check Terra. I have 1000 Terra. Now I can stake it. So I click here and staking. I click the subscribe button of Terra. Click here. Click this circle. I have read and agree options. It's a swing here. It's 7 days and the daily compounds and the fees on the profit. It takes a 25% the fees saying. Then I click this subscribe buttons. Done. Now you have the stake successfully. Yes, this way we can hold our cryptocurrency from this site. Thank you.